This is your step-by-step guide to selling websites in Ryman stores. All you need to do is ask the questions and we'll take care of the rest. If you have a customer that is interested in a website, you can open the webpage Ryman Websites powered by webboss.com. From here, you'll find everything you need to sell a website. If you need any help, there is a frequently asked questions section at the bottom of the page that will help you if you are unsure of any terms that are used throughout the process. This can also help the customer if they are unsure of any terms that are mentioned. You can start by asking the customer whether they'll be using their website for business or personal use. From here, you can ask what they need their website to do. Do they need to generate newsletters or require e-commerce functionality to sell goods online? All the options are here for you to choose. If they choose an e-commerce website, you can ask how many products they want to sell. You can then move on to how many pages they want designed for them and how many email accounts they may need. For the section Website Style, go to the top right corner of the web page and click on the button View some example websites. Here we have a variety of website layouts that you can show to the customer. You can choose the style that they like in the drop-down menu. Alternatively, if they do not like any of the designs that we have available, you can choose the Discuss with Designer option. You will then be shown which package is most suitable for the customer based on what they have chosen. If they are happy to purchase the website, then you can click Order Now. This page will outline the package chosen, what will be included within their package, and how much hosting they will pay per month. There will also be a form where you can take the customer's details. This form will require an invoice number or receipt number, which will need to be inputted after the customer has paid at the till. A link to our privacy policy and terms and conditions are available at the bottom of the form. Once you have made the customer aware of the terms and conditions and privacy policy, you can ask them to tick the boxes. This is particularly important when an order is being placed. One last thing to tick is the I'm not a robot box, and then you can go ahead and click Submit to confirm the order. Alternatively, if the customer does not want to buy the website at that time, you can choose the Quote Now button. This will take you to the same form as before. However, this form will not require any payment information. This form will also require the customer to tick the privacy policy and the terms and condition boxes. Alternatively, if the customer is in a rush and does not have enough time to go through all the questions, then you can use the Further Info button. This page will give you an overview of everything the customer will need to know when they buy a website in Ryman. There is a shorter form that can be filled out to take the main details from the customer. Again, ensure that the customer is aware of the privacy policy and ask them if they are happy to tick the box. After you've submitted the form, all the information that is included on this page will be emailed to the customer. If the customer chooses Other Functionality as an option, then this will require a bespoke package. Other functionality could be a booking system or specific designs that are not already included within the packages. When this box gets filled out, you can then press Enter and this will take you to the bespoke package form. Similar to the other forms, this one will outline what will happen next for the customer, and you'll be able to fill in the customer's details. Click Submit and you're done. A copy of the form will be emailed to the customer, head office and ourselves, and we'll be in touch. If you or your customers need any further guidance, you can go to the top of the webpage and click Watch Our Tutorials, where you'll be able to find a number of step-by-step tutorials on how the WebBoss system works. If you have an urgent question or issue, you can talk to us instantly on our live chat. This is located at the bottom right of the screen. Our live chat will only be available 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. If you require any more information, do not hesitate to contact us directly. You can use the email ryman@webboss.io. Please include all your contact details and any specific questions you may have. Thank you for watching.